7 months after advancing to the 2020 NBA Final, the Miami Heat are one loss away from elimination. But in this year 2021 playoffs, after a sounding 84 to 113 defeat to the Milwaukee Bucks on Thursday night in Miami. For the second consecutive game, the Bucks lead from the opening minutes until the final Blazer building leads of more than 30 points. It is a complete reversal from when these teams met in last season's Eastern Conference semifinals when he belligerent the top-seeded Bucks in a 1-4 series victory. I am most surprised by just how fast it got out of hand. Heat wingman Jimmy Butler said, "We have got to pick who we want to be physical, make things much together. Then you have got to live with the result." The Heat's offensive production this series has been anemic. Their 93.2 points per 100 possessions through 3 games. From the outset of series, the Bucks defense has bottled up the Heat, yielding lower percentage mid-range shots while focusing their effort on the interior. The Bucks' length, particularly Giannis Antetokounmpo and center Brook Lopez, has limited Miami's penetration. Heat big man Bam Adebayo is averaging only 0.74 points per play when guarded by Lopez. Overall, the Heat were only 2 for 8 in the paint on Thursday when Lopez was the primary rim protector, according to ESPN Stats and Information Research. Butler, who shined when Heat outside the Bucks last season, has struggled to find opportunities. When he struggled to convert. His drive shooting percentage for the series is a scant 40.4. Among the Heat's rotation players, only Ariza has posted a lower mark. Overall in the series, Butler is averaging 15.3 points, 6.7 rebounds and 6 assists per game.